So bring it over to the bench here, or in this case, my tailgate. This is a water pump plier. This is also, it's a channel lock 460. I suggest you get one. All right, as I get on there, I can hold the filter with my hand. Pretty crappy video, but I couldn't turn that by hand, but with the channel I had to spin it off. So, let's see this one. The drain comes out. Slow down. More haste, less speed. Anyway, that's bowl. Oh, I'll give that a wipe here. The bowl screws in where the drain plug was. And we got a drain plug there. And this is a sediment bowl or sight glass. The swipper. Alright, it's a cam lock. Get it on there. And then we would fill this filter, but we got a primer system, so I'm gonna get the bowl back on the new filter. We'll prime it up, we'll watch the primer work.